Yep. If you don't know, beer vibes. You hear me talk. You don't know what they represent for dancehall reggae vibes. Zin, Vybz Kartel, Adija Farmer, the world boss. Free. 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 As you can see, look on a video clip here. Freedom. A breath of fresh air. Rolling with him queen, with him empress. You know what I mean? Buckle popping. You see that? So watch out now, people. My question is, I'm gonna ask the question here. Watch out. We have a whole heap of iconic artists within the country. Zin, and when them host a party or when them put on nothing, you know see a shillings. Zin. So recently, Buju Concert was held and the turnout was surpassed phenomenal. Zin, the patron level and a normal something. The amount of people who forward out. And a normal something. So, right now, I want to ask, yeah? So, I want to know if you comment, talk with me, reason with me, because I want to one poll. Zin, do you think Kartel Concert will be bigger than Buju's? Yeah, man, come and talk about it. Because you know, a whole heap of people. And when I talk about, when I go into my brain and think about it, yeah, you don't know when time Buju did forward a different type of energy. The people them roll out for Buju, you see me and say, yeah? But this is Vybz Kartel, wherein when I think about it, people are fly from all over the world, you know. All about, you know, and the rock stone and everywhere. Not saying that people not fly from all over the world from that stone for Buju too. Zin, but are you, more you for tell me, people, what do you think? Will Kartel Concert be as big or even surpass the great Gargamel? Zin, so let me know what I want, people.
Remember now, TJ this, you know. Bun politics and a PJ this, you know. My brother from another mother. Yeah, man, I love them youth, man. Them youth, they run from the one through the fight, through the struggle, right, through, and to the victory. Yeah, man. Right. I talk about God is the greatest. Love you, bro.
Yeah, people, I'm going to tell you about the whole vibration we're going in Jamaica right now. The thing that normal around here. Look, no, man. Yeah, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear, I'm there again. Yeah, my Jamaican people, them happy, them overjoyed, them overwhelmed. Me I tell you, look upon the reaction of my people, them in Jamaica.
You hear the word. You don't know already. You don't know already. You don't know already. I know you're not right away. You want to name free teacher, free teacher, free teacher. Them a fight teacher, fight teacher, fight teacher. Oh no, feel Lego teacher, Lego teacher, Lego teacher.
Zin, Adija Palmer, freed, their road. You know what I mean? The people them, it's like a jubilee. Look.
Come on road today. So if you watch my live show them, I tell you today, Vybz Kartel have come on road, because you don't know the Maroon Empress and different from that, and they're Guzo Bass. So we just put Paul and Lou in one side first, and then after that we just go and get our Kartel. So big up the new DPP, she do the right thing, don't it?
Yeah! Beer vibes in the street. Watch it. Look at all the woman there. Oh my word, man. Oh my word, man, people. It's a historical moment within dancehall, Jamaica, history. You see me and say, separate and apart from all of the great moments that have gone. But it's a one of them. You see me and say, and the way the people them move and the way the people them deal with it, it speaks aloud. It talks for itself. You, me, not have to say nothing at all. Look there.
You hear the word. You don't know already. You don't know already. You don't know already.
Anytime now, my brother. Anytime now. Cairo.
I be gay buddies line up them in your
Big up Mad Sauce, big up Siva, and big up Father God. Big
up Maidan! Big up Maidan!
Kim!
Big up Maidan!
Kim! Remember me know you?
Love Maidan.
From your fat I know you see.
I should never dare forget you.
Yeah, people, so Kartel first speech, you know what I mean? The first chat to the people them. Yeah, I'm name not saying a whole heap or nothing. Hear what Kartel have to say.
Yeah, man. Remember when I do wholesale and when I do retail, they are Mac, number one detail. Squad security. Mac squad, yeah? Find the box. No? Up there.
Yeah, man, see there? World Boss is free.
Yo, big up Mac security.
Yeah, man. Mac squad to the world.
Mac squad, number one detail.
Alright.
Remember no wholesale, remember no retail.
Alright. Up there. Mac squad security, we do what we do best.
Yeah, people, so as I can see Max Squad and move through with the artist, you know what I mean, I create a level of protection. You know what I talk about, because the thing up on a certain level. You see me? So yeah, the artist traverse the streets and I go in. I know say him son them supposed to have to see him. You know what I mean? The grand youth them, you see me, I say family members and everybody a beer joy. Me I tell you say Jamaica nice. Hey, Jamaica nice. Hey, you me talk. A dream weekend, you know. Dream weekend. Yeah. Remember people, anything possible right now. Jamaica loaded. Everybody, a whole heap of people are flying, you know. Yeah, man, east, west, north, and south, all about. All route. Yeah, man. Remember, people, subscribe. Subscribe. You know what I mean? Them say banger, but watch a one, yeah.
But I don't vice. But just my vice gone. But just a lot. But just like to the blood clot, dude. We were but just I come from England. And what is my lad do? Jesus Christ. Look at my shopping yourself. My vice gone.
Yes, people, and this is Spice making her way. The news just dropped. She get it and she can't wait. Remember in London she did it. Remember good no man. Unruly face. Remember good no. So, you know what I go on. From plane to plane and a quick trip home. Yeah? Kawa. The world boss. Yeah. She not forget the good. You know what I mean? So the react nah go good. Here's it. It nah go normal. And remember me tell you people, this is Spice. And the reaction, yeah man, a yard man thing. Yeah man, a beer vibes, you hear me talk. Spice. People look on the react no man, a Bobby's murder this you know man. Yeah, hear me talk. Him get the news. The news drop. Ha! The charger will beer vibes, watch it man. The way the people them a move and the way the people them a deal with it, it speaks aloud. It talks for itself. You, me, not have to say nothing at all. Look there. Beer vibes, watch it man.